In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn spell check on/off in Microsoft OneNote. If you've ever been distracted by those red squiggly lines while you're jotting ideas or you want OneNote to catch typos as you go, this quick setting is for you. I'll show you exactly where to find the option, explain what it does, and make sure your changes stick. We're using the OneNote desktop app on Windows, and the process is the same no matter which notebook you're working in. Start by opening OneNote and the notebook you want to work on. With your notebook open, look to the top left corner of OneNote and click File. This takes you to the Backstage area where you manage app-wide settings. On the left side, choose Options, a OneNote. Options window will open, and this is where you control things like editing, display, and proofing preferences. In that Options window, select Proofing. Proofing is where OneNote handles spelling and related checks. You'll see a checkbox labeled Check Spelling as you type. This single setting controls whether OneNote flags possible misspellings while you're typing. If you want to turn spell check on, make sure that box is checked. With it on, OneNote will underline words it thinks are misspelled as you type, so you can spot issues immediately. It's helpful when you're preparing polished notes, sharing meeting minutes, or creating pages you plan to distribute. You can keep typing and come back to those underlines later, and your content isn't changed until you decide to fix it. If you prefer a cleaner page while brainstorming or taking fast notes, you can turn it off by unchecking that box. When it's off, OneNote won't draw those real-time underlines, which can make long note-taking sessions feel less cluttered. Turning this off doesn't modify any text, it simply stops the live flagging while you work. You can always turn it back on later when you're ready to review. Once you've made your choice, click OK at the bottom of the Options window. That saves your setting and closes the dialog. Your change takes effect right away in your current notebook and across other notebooks you open in this app. A quick recap. Open OneNote, go to File, then Options, choose Proofing, toggle Check Spelling as you type, on or off depending on your preference, and click OK to confirm. Use it on when accuracy matters and off when focus and flow are your priority. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and